Hello students of class 4. Yesterday we studied about the animals who live in the groups and one of them was elephant. So elephant is the animal who lives in the groups and the group of elephants is called the herd. We have to take the knowledge about elephant only in chapter 3 as per your syllabus. So we have to read about this only and nothing is better than our book. So we have to do the reading for this purpose to know about elephants from your NCERT book. Let us start it. You can see here what is written. Nandu wakes up. Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. For a few seconds he was not sure where he was. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunks. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. Here what is said that Nandu woke up in the morning. He opens his eyes and he saw that there were big grey tree trunks around him. He blinks his eyes and look around and then think that oh, there is Amma. Look what is written here. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and trunk of his family members. It means the family members were the elephants. There were many elephants and their grey color was seeming as the grey elephants as it was actually. So the grey color was of the elephants. The sun was overhead and it was getting hot. Nanima. Do you know Nanima, na? Mother's mother is called Nanima. Nanima trumpeted, made a loud sound. It means the loud sound of elephants is called trumpet. Nanima is the oldest in his herd of elephants. She started moving towards the jungle. The other female elephants saw her and started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. It means the oldest female elephant moves ahead in the herd and rest of all elephants follow her. When they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreading out. Each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. After they had eaten, the herd moved towards the river. The baby elephants enjoyed playing in the water. The mothers lay down in water and mud on the river bank. So students, from here, have you understood that in that herd there were only female elephants and the baby elephants. There were no male elephants. What is written ahead? Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. It means why they bath in water? They bath in water to make their skin cool. Their big ears also work like the fans. The elephants flap these to keep themselves cool. So the fan-like ears of elephants are used to flap them to keep themselves cool. There are two questions on the basis of studies we have done. That Nandu is only 3 months old but he weighs 200 kilograms. What is your weight? You have to write your weight only here. Suppose your weight is 25 kilogram. The second question is that can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? Suppose your weight is 25 kilogram and Nandu's weight is 200 kilogram. Then how many children will make the Nandu's weight? 25, 8 is 200. So 8 children will make the Nandu's weight. These are the solutions of these questions like this. You can also find out the number of children by division method by dividing Nandu's weight by your weight. You have to write my weight here and then you should find the number of children by dividing Nandu's weight by your weight. You have to write this in your book. So today in the homework you have to put the name of chapter first, then write question answers, and first question for you is that matching. At first you have to draw this table for two columns A and B. Then you have to write the answer table for A and B column like this and complete your homework carefully. Students must watch the videos and do your work, get the knowledge. Hope for the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.